இது வந்து இது வந்து எப்படின்னா ஒரு ட்ரெடிஷ்னல் வேர் மாதிரி. இது லுங்கி கிடையாது, ட்ரெடிஷ்னல் வேர் மாதிரி. I love the design. Yeah, this is his mom's. This is his mom's wrapper, so she gave it to him. So அவங்க ஞாபகார்த்தமா வச்சிருக்காரு. This is worn by women actually, na? This is your mom's wrapper, right? Huh?
It's not worn by women. She's worn by her. She gave it to me.
Anybody can wear it. It's unisex.
Yeah.
She அவங்க அம்மாக்கு no need to beg. Then I've been asking, you should do something. Yes and no, ஏதா சொல்லணும்ல. போங்க கேசவன்ஜி. How will I contact you? Tell me. Yes, your mom is a great soul. Yes, she was a great soul.
Yeah.
நான் தான் மீட் பண்ண முடியல அவங்கள. So I really wish that I had met his mom. It would have been really nice. We would have become best pals. இறங்கடி கீழே. Come here. என்ன வேணும் தங்கத்துக்கு? என்ன வேணும்? அம்மா அடிக்கிறேன் நீ என்ன? கை கொடு, கை கொடு, கை கொடு. அந்த கை கொடு, இந்த கை கொடு. இது வேணாம், அந்த கை கொடு, இந்த கை கொடு. கை கொடு, கை கொடு, கை கொடு. Was I thinking how I'm torturing her now?
Yeah, what's this?
Keep it with you, Sam. When he wore that kind of dress, we finally feel they are with us. Yes.
True.
Their mother did this traditional dress. Yes, yes, yes.
True.
அதுக்காக தான் அது வச்சிருக்கிறது கார்த்தி. ஒரு 2-3 ஐட்டம் தான் இருக்கு அவங்க அம்மா. அது அவர் வச்சிருக்காரு. Only 2 or 3 items of his mom he has. Stop scratching everywhere.
It's not hers.
Yup, traditional dress தான். Are we going to pray? சரி, கடை சாத்திடலாமா இன்னைக்கு? Yep. Sam's mom will be sitting with him when he wears this, correct? Very true. Sam, do you like India? Yes, he likes India.
Yeah, it's a place to be. It's nice. It's nice. It has its challenges, but it's okay.
What happened to his mother? She passed away long ago. 20 years, right?
Yeah, 2008.
Close to 20 years.
What's she doing?
She's biting. Okay, let's pack up. We'll meet tomorrow. Seriya?
He good?
He comes up with good sleep and don't bother him. Okay. Hi, Alphonse. Kada saathapuram. கார்த்தி, கடை சாத்திடலாம். 2 hours ஆயிடுச்சு. கடை சாத்திடலாம், நம்ம நாளைக்கு வரலாம். சரியா? Bye guys. Which country, ma'am? Nigeria.
Nigeria.
First time to our channel, subscribe பண்ணிக்கோங்க and also like. Hames also has come. Hi.
He has come back.
Yeah, she's here. She's saying hi. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, bye, Sam.
Bye. Good night.
Sorry, good night, everybody. நம்ம நாளை சந்திப்போம்.
Good night.
Okay, tomorrow I'll tell you my love story. Tomorrow 9:30. Okay.
Hames biryani.
He says he want biryani tomorrow. Tell me. He will order. Okay. Sorry, we'll continue. We'll continue in Telegram.
Bye.
Possible. Okay. Sorry, bye-bye. Good night, guys.
Good night.
Good night. Bye.